HooTown cabinet and shelf mats. A true kitchen superhero. Are ready to rescue your cupboards from spills and scratches. Their powerful, waterproof design acts as an impenetrable shield, safeguarding your shelves and drawers from the inevitable messes that come with cooking and daily life. Like a protective force field, these liners stand strong against liquid, preventing it from seeping through and causing damage to your valuable cabinetry. Furthermore, the robust, non-adhesive material lays flat and stays in place without leaving behind any sticky residue, so you can easily reposition them as needed. Consequently, these mats provide a clean, secure, and visually pleasing foundation for all your kitchen items. They are perfect for lining shelves, drawers, pantry cabinets, and even refrigerators, ensuring that every corner of your kitchen is well protected and organized. In addition, these durable HooTown cabinet and shelf mats are crafted from a high-quality material that is built to last. It is thick and sturdy, withstanding the weight of heavy pots and pans without tearing or bunching up. Subsequently, this makes them an exceptional choice for anyone who wants a long-term solution for kitchen organization. Moreover, the pristine white color brightens up dark cabinets, making it easier to find what you're looking for, while simultaneously giving your kitchen a fresh, clean look. Although they are strong, they are also incredibly easy to clean. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth or sponge, and they'll look as good as new. Hence, the convenience and longevity of these liners make them a must-have for any modern kitchen. Finally, these HooTown cabinet and shelf mats transform your chaotic kitchen into a sanctuary of order. By providing a smooth, protective surface, they prevent items from sliding around and getting damaged. They are the silent guardians of your kitchen, working tirelessly to keep your space neat and tidy. For example, when you place your spices on a lined shelf, you'll find that they stand upright and are easy to access, rather than toppling over. Therefore, you can have a more efficient and enjoyable cooking experience. As a result, these liners are more than just a simple kitchen accessory. They are a fundamental part of an organized and functional home. In conclusion, their ability to protect, organize, and beautify your kitchen space makes them an essential tool for any home chef or organizer. Pros: good quality, water resistant, great value, durable, actually stays in place, easy to work with, lays flat, breeze to measure and cut, time-saving, safe material, perfect thickness. Available in wide rolls, delivered within 24 hours, easy to cut with scissors, exactly as advertised. Love the friction-dotted surface, easy cleanup, easy to cut to fit, won't cause items to slide around, prevents ring marks. Cons: can be hard to cut to size, may wrinkle or shift over time, does not prevent all spills. Features: waterproof, durable, strong, kitchen cabinet mat, for drawers, for shelves, for pantries. White: the HooTown kitchen shelf liner is a durable, non-adhesive, and waterproof mat designed for use in various areas of your kitchen. Made to be strong and long-lasting, it's perfect for lining refrigerator shelves, kitchen cabinets, drawers, and pantries. The liner comes in a clean white color and offers a simple way to protect surfaces from spills and messes. The HooTown kitchen shelf and drawer liners are a great choice for protecting shelves, drawers, and refrigerators. They are made from a safe, durable, and waterproof material that's easy to work with and clean. Users appreciate that the liners lay flat and stay in place thanks to a unique friction-dotted surface, which also prevents items from sliding around and leaving ring marks. They are also praised for being easy to measure and cut with scissors, saving time on installation. While they are a great value and delivered quickly, some users noted that they can be challenging to cut precisely and may wrinkle or shift over time.